Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Evans, and in today's video we're going to unbox the all-new image transmission module from Zhiyun. So as you all know, I've been using the Weebill S for about 2 months now, and I've been waiting to get my hands on this image transmission module so I can test out some of the advanced features of this gimbal. And today I just got my hands on this, so we're going to unbox it, see what comes in this package, and then we'll have a quick discussion about the initial first impressions, and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so let's get started. So here comes the package. It comes in this nicely packaged box, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open up this. So I'm going to use my knife here, cut out the plastic covering. Comes in a nice package. Gonna have to pull this out, I believe. Okay, a little tight. Yep, finally, here we go. So that piece comes out, and now we open this. Gonna cut this tape. So in here we got some basic instructions on how to set up and connect the unit. We've got this foam board for protection. We've got this little tiny metal plate here, and I believe this is for mounting the image transmission module underneath the Weebill S. We'll come to the actual unit later. Alright, and here is a nice case full of cables. Okay, so this tiny little screw here, we're going to have to figure out what this is for later on. And in here I have a bag with an Allen key and 2 screws, actually 4 screws. And here we have, I believe, the USB multi-cable for Sony. And then you have a micro USB to micro USB cable. So as you can see, it comes with all sort of cables, all cables that you will need for various cameras. Let me get all these out of the way. And finally, right here, inside this package, is the image transmission module itself. And as you can see, this is pretty small. From the pictures I saw, I thought it would be bigger, but it looks pretty small and nicely made. High quality, all plastic casing, it looks like. So over here you have your HDMI in, and I believe this is your control cable out to your camera. And then here you have the USB for charging the unit. The antennas are quite nice feeling. The entire unit is really nice feeling and feels really well made. I'm impressed with the design and how well Zhiyun has made this image transmission module. And as you can see, the side here is the button to turn it on. These are the LED indicators. We're going to go through later on and figure out what these indicators are. And so that's it for the unboxing of this unit. So that's it for the unboxing of this unit. As you can see, nicely made, well made unit, all aluminum or metal construction. The antenna seems to be able to rotate 270 degrees all around. Beautiful unit, well made. I'm excited to see what we can do with this unit when we pair it to the Weebill S, as well as when we use it in standalone with my A7 III. So in the next video, I'm going to go through and show you guys how to mount this and set this all up and get it working with the Weebill S. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to this channel as I try to release at least one video every week on photography equipment, videography equipment, and also tips and tricks on how to use these equipment. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep creating.